students, welcome back in the maths class for standard 7. I am your maths teacher, so without wasting further time, let's get started. So here exercise 6.3 is given. Now we are lastly completed exercise 6.2. Now we are moving on exercise 6.3. Again the thing is same. In last exercise we find out exterior angle. Now here we use some angle sum property. In last exercise we use exterior angle property. In this exercise we have to use angle sum property as well as exterior angle property. That two things we have to use. So question 1 we have to use angle sum property, and question 2 we have to use angle sum plus exterior angle also. So in the question number 1 I am taking 3 examples here, others you have to do by yourself. So see, first of all, there is a triangle given. In the triangle, the first of all the instruction is find the value of unknown x in the following diagram. मतलब जो कि यहाँ पर फिगर में x जो फिगर में x दिया है वो x की वैल्यू वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन फिगर नंबर 1 there is a angle given 50, 60 and x. So we have to find out x. As per angle sum property, you know that sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. So here 50 plus 60 plus x is equal to what? 180 degree. So here we can write as per angle sum property 50 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180 degree, right? 50 degree, 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 50 plus 60 is what? 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So the last and final answer is x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, which is 70 degree. So the x we find out here is 70 degree. Easy है, कुछ भी नहीं करना. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग तीनों एंगल्स का एडिशन करना है. एडिशन करने के लिए आपको सिंपल एडिशन करना है. फिर जैसे ही हम ट्रांसपोजिंग मेथड यूज़ करते थे इन चैप्टर नंबर 4, दैट्स थिंग सेम थिंग यू हैव टू यूज़. मूव द 110 on the right side. If it moves on the right side, its sign is plus, it changes into minus. So now 180 degree minus 110, which is 70 degree. Simple. Same way the next question. See, in here there is no angle values given, only 3 of angle is given x. But we know the rules. We have a simple rule. Addition of 3 angle of triangle is 180 degree. So simple, put that x plus x plus x 180 degree. So x plus x plus x कितना होगा? 1 2 3. So 3 times x होगा. So 3 times x is equal to 180 degree here also. So now x is equal to what? See, use transposing method. 3 is in multiplication with x, it goes on the other side. 180 degree divided by 3. Why? Because on the left side it is in multiplication, on the right side it goes in division. So now 360 is 180. So 60 degree is your final answer. So all the angle is 60 degree and this one is also 60 degree. Here the angle x is 70 degree. Easy. Same way now next question. Here there is a 3 angles given. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle में हमेशा एक एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है. तो here the sign is given here. So this one is 90 degree. Now the other two is x and 2x. But we know the rules. Addition of angle sum property. Addition of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So x, another one is 2x plus this one is 90 is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. Now do the math. 2 plus x, 2x plus 1x is equal to 3x plus 90 degree, which is 180 degree. Now 3x as it is, take 90 on the other side is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 90 degree left, so 3x is equal to 90 degree, right? Because 180 degree minus 90 degree is what? 90 degree. 90 plus 90 is 180. So 180 minus 90 is also 90. Now 3x is equal to what? X is equal to 90 divided by 3. Same as here, 3x था तो 3 नीचे ले गए. Same way we have to take the 3 on the other side of the right side. It is in multiplication, it goes in denominator, which is division. So x is equal to what? 30 degree. Why 30 degree? Because 3 30s are 90. So x is equal to 30 degree. सिंपल. अब यहाँ पर x 30 डिग्री मिला तो ये एंगल की वैल्यू हो गई 30, लेकिन ये एंगल की वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 मल्टीप्लाई x है. सो द 1x इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 30s are 60 degree. So here the value of 2x is equal to 60 degree. So that's how you can find out the values of angle. So leftover following figures, leftover figures you have to do by yourself. So this is the question number 1. Now moving on question number 2. Okay students, so now moving on our next question, question number 2. Find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagram. Now here we have to use angle sum property as well as exterior angle property also. So in last previous only we use question number 1, we use only angle sum property. Here we have to use both exterior angle, vertical opposite angle as well as the angle sum property. So first one, let's find out. Now we have to find out x and y. There is another angle given 50 and the exterior angle is given 120. As you know the exterior angle property, first of all, the addition of the interior opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So 120 degree is equal to opposite interior angle is what? X plus 50, which is x plus 50. So first of all we will find x, then we will find y. 120 degree is equal to, sorry, here x is equal to now 120 degree minus 50 degree. So here x is equal to what? X is equal to 70 degree. ये तो हमारा आ गया x. If you want to cross check, just add 70 plus 50, you will get 120. That means your answer is right. See here, cross check it. 50, 70 plus 50, 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, 120. So here exterior angle is 120. So 70 plus 50 is 120. So our x we got how much? 70 degree. Now we have to find out y. y find करने के लिए हमारे पास सिंपल मेथड है. Addition of angle property, sum of angle sum property, which is addition of all three angle is 180 degree. So here 50 plus x plus y, which is 180 degree. Why? As per angle sum property. So 50 x we find out how much? 70 degree. So put it here, plus y is equal to 180 degree. So now 70 plus 50, which is 120 degree, plus y is equal to 180 degree, right? So now y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 120 degree. So y is equal to 60 degree. So we got our answer 60 degree. Now if you want to cross check the value of y is right or not, just add 3 of them, you will get 180. That means your answer is right. So let's find out. See, 70 plus 50 plus 60. So here 0 plus here 7 plus 7 14 and 4 18. So 180 degrees you got. That means your answer is right. 70 y is 60 degree and the x is 70 degree and another angle is 50 degree. So that's how you can find out x and y by using the simple method. Let's check another one. See, this kind of figure is given. Now here this angle is given 30 degree, this angle is given y, and this angle is given x. And here the outside, this is not exterior angle. You have to know that what is exterior. Exterior angle should be here. This is the exterior angle. This is not exterior angle of triangle. So here you can see that figure. Hide this. Now what you see? X type of thing. And whenever you see that the vertical opposite angle, remembers in strike in mind. So vertically opposite angle are equal. So यहाँ पर ये 60 है तो ये क्या होगा 60. So x is equal to directly you will get 60 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So here you got vertically opposite angle. So this one you got x is equal to 60 degree. Now we need y. नाउ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यू नो दैट x हमको मिल गया, y हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, तीनों का एडिशन करेंगे. सो एज पर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी 30 प्लस y प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो नाउ 30 प्लस y एज इट इज, x की वैल्यू क्या है 60 डिग्री प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो 60 प्लस 30 90 डिग्री प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. So here y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 180 minus 90 is what? 90 degree. So y we got 90 degree. Easy. Same way the third one. Now third one is also little bit trickier but very easy. Tricky है लेकिन easy है. कैसे? Same way vertically opposite angle सब में दिख रहा है. See, hide this one. You can see vertically opposite. Here hide this one. You can see vertically opposite. Hide this one. You can see vertically opposite. So this one is x. So this one is also x. This one is x. So this one is also x. This one is x. You can consider this one is also x. So here also inside angle instead of y is equal to x. Y की जगह पे x रख सकते हो. So as per angle sum property, इनसाइड एंगल्स पहले हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, एक्स एंड वाई फाइंड आउट करना है. तो एक्स की वैल्यू वाई के बराबर ही होगी. सो कोई भी एक मिलेगा, वाई मिल जाएगा. तो क्या करेंगे, इसको भी कन्वर्ट करेंगे एक्स में. नाउ एडिशन ऑफ दिस थ्री, एक्स प्लस एक्स, हाउ मच 180 डिग्री. एज पर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी तीनों एंगल्स का एडिशन कितना होगा 180 डिग्री होगा. सो वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स यहाँ पर लिखना पड़ेगा वर्टिकली opposite. That's why vertically opposite. That's why it is y is equal to x. So now 3x is equal to 180 degree. So here x is equal to what? Divided by 3. So here x is equal to 60 degree because 360 is 180. So x की वैल्यू 60 मिली तो y की वैल्यू भी कितनी होगी, y is equal to also 60 degree. So here is our answer, 60 degree all of them. If you add 60 plus 60 plus 60 you will get 180 degree. So your answer is proper 60 degree x and 60 degree y. Easy. Again I am repeating the whole things. See, leftover sum you have to do by yourself like this only. Again I am repeating. See, question number 1, x we have to find out. What we did first, we use the exterior angle method. Exterior angle method में क्या किया, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite side angles. So sum of opposite side angle कितने हैं, x plus 50 which is 120 minus 50. So x is equal to हमको मिला 70 डिग्री. अब x मिल गया, दो एंगल हमको मिल गए. एज पर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी तीनों का क्या किया, एडिशन किया. एडिशन करने पर हमको क्या मिला, y मिला. सो y is equal to 60. So our question number 1 is solved. X and y is done. Now in the fourth one, the sixth one is there. 30 y and x. This is the fourth one, 30 y and x. Now as per vertically opposite angle, x is equal to directly becomes 60 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angles, see the vertically opposite angles are equal. So x is equal to 60 degree. Now 30 plus y plus x as per angle sum property. Here also you can write as per angle sum property. So as per angle sum property 30 plus y plus x is equal to 180 degree. So y की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है, x की वैल्यू हमारे पास है 60 डिग्री. So 30 plus 60 plus y which is 30 plus 60 90 हुआ प्लस y. अभी 90 को कहाँ ले जाएंगे, 90 को ले जाएंगे on the other side. So y is equal to what, 180 degree minus 90. Why minus? Because this side it is in plus, so other side it goes as in transposing method, so it is minus. So y is equal to 90 degree. Simple. Same way the third one and sixth one. In this triangle there is no angle given, only x and y is given, but we know the vertically opposite angles are equal. So according to vertically opposite angle, y and x are equal. So now y and x are equal, so we know that instead of y we can put the x. So first of all we have to write like this, x plus y, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now x y की जगह पे हमने क्या रखा, x रख दिया, बिकॉज x इज इक्वल टू वाई. वाई बिकॉज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, दैट्स वाई x की जगह पे हम y रख सकते हैं. सो और y की जगह पे x रख सकते हैं. सो x प्लस वाई x प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ सिंप्लीफाइड 3x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 180 डिवाइड बाई 3. सो x इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. वाई 60 डिग्री? बिकॉज 360 जा 180. सो x इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. बट हियर इन द फर्स्ट टर्म वी नो दैट y इज इक्वल टू x. तो x की जो भी वैल्यू होगी वही y की वैल्यू होगी. x की वैल्यू 60 है तो y की वैल्यू भी 60 होगी. तो हमारा दोनों एक ही साथ फाइंड आउट हो गया, x इज इक्वल टू 60 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 60. सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 exercise 6.3. So 6.3 is finished here. In next video lesson we will continue with exercise 6.4. Till then, thank you.